This was a first for me replacing doorknobs. We had one that was just faulty, probably 20 years old or so, and something inside the mechanism here just broke and it started to not unlock and it would just get stuck in this position. So we took it off. All you got to do is unscrew the two screws, pull both sides out just like that, and it comes apart very easily. Then you don't have to replace these little pieces, but I did just so it matches up with the same tone that I've got on the new one. Slide in this new little guy right here. Make sure the orientation is faced the correct way so it closes properly when you shut the door. Screw these into place and it fits in just nicely like that. Now for the knob assembly itself, just make sure you rotate it so that it fits in here. It's only going to fit one way, so you can't really screw this up. Just rotate it around, and you kind of got to jimmy it around a little bit before it will actually go into place, because you got these three little slots to fit it through those holes. Same thing with the doorknob itself. I had to finagle it a little bit and just jiggle it around a little bit. But once you do, you just hold it into place. It's got those same two type of screws that you put on either side. And it does take, they're pretty long, takes quite a bit of kind of awkward screwing because it's around the corner or around the sides of the doorknob itself. But just go a little bit on each side and tighten it down by hand with a screwdriver, and it'll firm up quite nicely. Now, I like this brand particularly because it's got a little rekeying device that it comes with, so I actually was able to rekey this so that it matched my backdoor key.